I am Father Mesa, and I am very happy to be here with you to share some meditations on the Gospel. Sunday, February 5 is the fifth Sunday in Ordinary Time. Let us listen to the Holy Gospel according to Matthew. Jesus said to his disciples, "You are the salt of the earth, but if salt loses its taste, with what can it be seasoned? It is no longer good for anything but to be thrown out and trampled underfoot. You are the light of the world. A city set on a mountain cannot be hidden, nor do they light a lamp and then put it under a bushel basket. It is set on a lampstand, where it gives light to all in the house. Just so, your light must shine before others, that they may see your good deeds and glorify your heavenly Father." The Gospel of the Lord. This passage from chapter 5 of St. Matthew is part of the Sermon on the Mountain. It is a program for life that Jesus presents to us. Today, we have two images, the salt and the light. These images are used by Jesus to talk about our mission in the world. At Jesus' time, the salt was used to preserve some food and to add some flavor to it. Furthermore, salt in the Middle East represented values such as solidarity, life, and wisdom. Remember that we, as Catholics, are in the world, but we are not of the world. We belong to God. We were redeemed by the blood of Christ, and we are children of God. With such a great dignity, we must be the salt of the earth. In other words, we must give a new flavor to the world. Our society is so insipid because it has forgotten God. That is why Jesus tells us that we, as the salt of the world, must put in it the taste of solidarity, true wisdom, and unity. But be careful, because the salt can become insipid and be useless. This can also happen to any Catholic who does not practice the faith on a regular basis. The second image that Jesus uses is the light. You are the light of the world, he says. The light serves to illumine the darkness. No matter if the flame is small or large, the smallest flame always illumines the darkness. Our faith in the world is the light that illumines the darkness and divisions of our society. Our Lord says to us, "Your light must shine before others, that they may see your good works and glorify your heavenly Father." The Lord is inviting us to understand the great mission that He gave us, to be the light of the world, to give good witness. Our good witness must be translated into actions, into work. Let us see that the first reading from the prophet Isaiah tells us, "Share your bread with the hungry, shelter the oppressed and the homeless, clothe the naked when you see them, and do not turn your back on your own brother." Jesus tells us, "You are the light of the world and the salt of the earth." Our mission is to bear witness with our faith and works. And this is very important. How sad and terrible it is to see the anti-testimony of those people who do not do good works, but instead they are dedicated to oppress the poor and to bully the weak. The first reading again reminds us, if you remove from your midst oppression, false accusation, and malicious speech, if you bestow your bread on the hungry and satisfy the afflicted, then light shall rise for you in the darkness, and the gloom shall become for you like midday. Today the Lord asks us to be the salt of the earth and the light of the world. Jesus tells us, "Your light must shine before others, that they may see your good deeds and glorify your heavenly Father." I am Father Mesa, and I hope to see you again very soon. May God bless you.